Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by locking down basics. Confirm your current map quadrant and set a visible waypoint labeled East Dock. Once done, equip a small boat or raft and strip unnecessary weight so you move faster on water. Make sure it's daytime, visibility matters, then head toward the island cluster that sits east of your spawn quadrant. You're not searching randomly. You have a waypoint and landmarks ready, so maintain heading and watch the shoreline for the dock's pilings and a low cliff silhouette. Keep a steady east heading using your compass and map grid. Frequent small corrections prevent overshooting. Once you see the first tall palm cluster or a volcanic spire on your right, reduce speed and follow the shoreline contour. Docks sit in small coves or recessed beaches. Once close, slow to about 1/4 speed and scan for man-made cues. Wooden pilings, crates, ropes, or dock lanterns. By linking compass data with visible features, you narrow the search quickly instead of circling aimlessly. Approach the east dock slowly, align the boat parallel to pilings, and cut throttle before impact. You want minimal drift. You then jump to the dock using the interact key and secure any dinos or heavy gear before walking inland. If you don't see a dock where expected, don't panic. Relog to refresh spawns, verify the server's map rotation and day/night cycle, or teleport to a nearby waypoint to force the area to load. These fixes resolve most missing docks.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.